Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you my honest review of Gusto. Now let's go ahead and talk a bit about my business journey, especially when it comes to payroll. So me and my business partner are currently running several businesses. I'm the SEO guy in our partnership, always working on websites and marketing strategies. My partner, on the other hand, has always been the one to handle the payroll. But you know how it is, learning every part of your business is very important, and that's why about a year ago, we decided it was my turn to handle all our business payroll. Now let me tell you, it was a whole new world to me. I literally spent months and months getting up to speed and taking care of all the business details. Now, I'll be honest, payroll isn't exactly my favorite task. It's not about the money, but the time it takes. That's why I started looking for a solution, and after months of research, I finally decided to go with Gusto. So in this video, I'm going to give you an honest review of Gusto. I'll cover its features, the cost, and the pros and cons that I found after using their services for several months. Okay, before we begin, let me just clarify that in my opinion, Gusto is best suited for small to medium-sized businesses or startups. So if you're running a large company or a large number of independent contractors or subcontractors, you may need to look elsewhere for a more sophisticated platform, such as ADP, which can handle much larger and more complex payroll needs. And if at any point you end up wanting to try them out, you can use the link that's down in the description because you'll get a bit of a discount that's not available if you go right to their website. Alright, let's talk about what Gusto is and how easy it is to sign up. So Gusto was founded back in 2012, and in just a short time they've made a significant impact, currently ranking as the second most popular in the human resources category in the US according to SimilarWeb. Now, Gusto isn't just about handling your monthly payroll. So they basically offer services like managing health insurance deductions, employee benefits, and contribution to retirement funds, along with a few other features. Gusto also helps with organizing important tax documents like W-2s and 1099s for your employees. And when it comes to signing up for Gusto, the process is pretty straightforward. So you'll need to input your personal and company details on their website, choose a plan that fits your business needs, and then you're ready to start. Also, if you're new to managing payroll, I recommend setting up Gusto earlier in the month. This will basically give you plenty of time to get familiar with the platform before you need to run your payroll. Now let's talk about the different plans Gusto has and how much they cost. So when it comes to Gusto's plans and prices, there are three main choices. Each has a base fee and a monthly charge for each employee. Starting with the simple plan, which will cost you about $40 per month plus $6 for each employee you include in your payroll. So essentially, this plan covers the complete payroll service, including W-2s and 1099s, profiles for every employee, and basic tools for hiring and onboarding. You'll also have access to an employee benefits calculator for items like health insurance or overtime. Now, one of the advantages is Gusto's partnership with a health insurance provider, which could lead to better rates for your business. The plan also provides regular employee reports covering work hours, sick days, and more. Additionally, it offers integration with other business tools like time tracking or accounting software. Next is the Plus plan, priced at around $80 per month and $12 per employee. This plan includes everything from the simple plan and adds features such as next day direct deposits and a pay time off calculator. It also comes with a time tracker, project management tools, performance reviews, and surveys for employee feedback. And if you're looking for enhanced support and HR resources, these are available at an extra cost of $8 per employee each month. Lastly, there's the premium plan. For this, Gusto requires you to contact them directly for a personalized quote, which depends on factors like your company's annual revenue and the number of employees you have. This plan includes all the features of the Plus plan, with additional features like HR resources and an R&D tax rebate if your company does research and development, all within the monthly fee. Now, having looked at the plans and the pricing, let's discuss some areas where I feel Gusto, could make some improvements. Now, while I've been using Gusto for quite some time, I have to say there are a few aspects that I think could be improved. So one key point is that Gusto might not be the best fit if you're running a large business. In such cases, a more sophisticated platform like ADP, which I mentioned earlier, might be better suited for your needs. However, for small to medium-sized businesses or startups, Gusto works great. Also, it's worth mentioning that the service isn't very mobile friendly. It works best on a desktop or a laptop, which is where I mostly use it anyways, so it's not a major inconvenience. Lastly, their payroll tool took a little while to get used to, but once I got the hang of it, I quickly learned how helpful it is. Alright, so after talking about some of the negative experiences I had, let's talk about what I liked most about Gusto and why I think it might be a good choice for your business. So, after researching and trying out a number of payroll services, I found that Gusto really stands out in terms of ease of use. It's user-friendly and doesn't take long to become a part of your regular business routine. This is especially helpful if you're relatively new to payroll systems like I was, or if you're looking for a tool that can make the whole process more straightforward. So, based on my experience, Gusto is definitely worth considering. Additionally, for smaller businesses, the access to HR resources that Gusto provides is a significant advantage. It can be a cost-effective alternative to hiring a dedicated HR company or adding an HR specialist to your team, especially when it comes to handling compliance. This feature alone can help your business save a lot of money and work more efficiently. So, would I recommend Gusto? Well, it really comes down to the size and nature of your business. For those running a large enterprise or managing a significant number of contractors or subcontractors, a more robust platform like ADP might be better. However, for small to medium-sized businesses like mine, or if you're dealing with a few contractors in addition to your regular team, in my opinion, Gusto is a great option. Another great thing about Gusto is its user-friendliness. This is especially true for people like me who are handling their own payroll. I have to say it saves me so much time, and now I can focus on learning new aspects of my business and taking on new responsibilities. So by using Gusto, I've basically gotten back the hours that I used to spend on payroll, which makes it a good investment for our business. So there you have it, my complete and honest review of Gusto. I highly recommend them, especially if you are new to business or just want to streamline the payroll of your next business. And don't forget there's a link in the description for a discount that's not available directly on their website. Now, of course, if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer them as soon as I can. If this review was helpful for you, or if you're interested in more content like this, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.